Hi, my name is Todd Skrivseth. I'm the head men's basketball coach here at Monmouth College. Our goal as a staff is to provide a positive and enjoyable experience for our student athletes. We're going to stress commitment and accountability within our program, both on and off the court. But we're not going to lose sight that this should be a fun experience, playing a game that we love. We want to play an up-tempo and aggressive style of basketball. Defensively, primarily, we will play a man-to-man defense, mixing in a little bit of zone to keep teams out of rhythm. Offensively, we want to push the ball and take advantage in transition without sacrificing shot selection. We're going to run a motion offense that stresses ball movement and attacking the interior of defenses. The obvious things we look for in a recruit are a high skill level and athleticism, but we definitely want to make sure that they also have some intangibles that are going to allow them to be successful within our program. First and foremost, we want guys who love the game. We want people who are willing to really work at it, put the time, and give the commitment necessary to be a successful program at a championship level. Monmouth College has a long-standing tradition of success in the men's basketball program, and that definitely was attractive to me. Also, the current success, some of the different sports that are experiencing right now at Monmouth, showed me that the resources are here at Monmouth to build a successful program. The growth of the campus over the last 20 years has been very impressive, and as soon as you step foot on campus, that's clearly evident with some of the new academic buildings and dormitories that have gone up and are currently under construction. We also, the other thing that definitely attracted me to Monmouth was the people. There's some great coaches here that you'd be able to train under, and the facilities. The Huff Athletic Center and Glennie Gymnasium are some of the finest facilities in Division III. Recruits can contact me on my office phone. That's 309-457-2228, or you can email me at tskrivseth@monmouthcollege.edu.